Welcome back to the channel. This is all about a thank you. Never in my wildest dreams thought we would have 700 subscribers. This is unreal, and I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for subscribing. And I want to give a special shout out. This is just so awesome. To Brianna Edwards, I don't know if you, she digital contributor for Click to Houston. Of course, Houston is South Texas. I'm kind of North Texas, more northish Texas. But I mean, wow, this is like mind-blowingly. I'm like so excited that I get to share this experience with you. You know, and if you have comments and suggestions, you know, this is not going to be an overnight thing. Well, I know a lot of people are asking, you know, where we're living, and I'm going to do a lot of the suggestions. Like there was another gentleman that suggested I, you know, draw it out. So we're going shopping Wednesday. On Wednesday, I'm going to buy a big board, and I'm going to try to draw it all out so it looks all really cool. But and then Texas Rain also mentioned about having a library, and I actually missed that, but that's actually going to be in the den. We actually want to have the den not just a TV room, but a library room, because we love to read. We read just about anything we get our hands on. We are a reading family. Oh, this is just, thank you so much. This has blown my world. I mean, we had like 19 subscribers on Thursday. Monday, we got 700. I mean, this is, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I did not forget, on Wednesday when we go shopping, because we do gotta go shopping, we're gonna get the hair dye. And we're gonna dye my hair blue. Because I said that if we get to 100 subscribers, because I thought I'd get a little bit more than that, not 700, but wow, this is like, my mind is blown right now, really blown that you would welcome me and my family into your house and you can watch everything that we're doing to this place. It's just, this is just beyond awesome. I'm like, sprinkler time. So excited. I'm like, oh wow, this is unreal. But if we get to 2,000 subscribers, maybe I can get Kathy to dye her hair. We'll make her. Leave a comment in the section, you know, and say what kind of color you think she should have. I'm going with the splat blue. It's going to be so much fun. Anyways, I'll be loading a video tomorrow, more pink, deep pink in the stairwell, and hopefully the stairwell will be completely deep pink so I can start doing all the patching, the sanding, and then getting ready for staining. I also got to do the door. There's some damage on the door, so I'm going to strip the door down and do some really light stuff, because it's got all kinds of really cool old things, and I want to keep all that character there. So get that stripped off, get it all taken care of, and restain. If the wood is really pretty, I'm not going to go with a darker stain. I'm going to do what I did with Kathy's bureau, which she didn't like the dark walnut look. She actually liked the original look. So we'll play with that. Dark walnut is like my personal favorite. I think it's her personal favorite too, but sometimes the natural wood, it can be some of the most beautiful. It can be absolutely beautiful as well. So again, thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for welcoming us into your family, and we'd like to think of you part of our family as you follow along on this journey. This is going to be a long process. We are not rich by any means necessary, not even close to it. So, you know, everything that we do is coming out of our own we got to worry about mortgages and insurances, equipment and stuff like that. So all that crazy stuff. So again, thank you so much. 700. This got me like, my mind is like blown. So again, thank you so much for subscribing. And there will be a new video that I already had edited and everything last week, because I try to keep it ahead so that I can upload it. Sometimes I get behind, things happen. Thursday we got the AC guy coming. The AC people will be here on Thursday to look at the air conditioning. Hopefully it's a cheap fix. I'm really hoping it's a cheap fix, but air conditioners, you never know. So I did a couple things, and I did a couple tests that I found on YouTube, and we'll see, because what I think I found out is not going to be a cheap fix, but that's just part of life, and part of maintaining, and kind of almost like a pride in home ownership, that yeah, it sucks that you got to pay a lot of money to get something fixed, but it's yours. It's So anyways, thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks so much for liking the videos. Thank you so much for watching them. Please feel free to comment, add suggestions, what you think should happen. You may not always get your way, but sometimes your ideas, because you'll be thinking outside of the box, whereas we live here and we may not see something that you all see. So again, thank you for everything, and as I always say, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thanks again for subscribing. Catch you later.